Life isn't a constant party. Life is a battle, a relentless struggle against mediocrity and excuses. Want to know the secret ingredient that separates winners from dreamers? It's discipline. Discipline isn't pretty or elegant. It isn't a luxurious spa where you relax and feel good about yourself. Discipline is a trench where you face your inner demons, where you decide if you control your destiny or let life dominate you. How many times have you looked in the mirror and told yourself you could do more? How many times have you let the chance to change your life slip by because you felt comfortable in your safety zone? It's time to break those mental shackles and unleash your inner beast. Discipline isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who are willing to get up when everyone else is asleep. For those who don't seek excuses but solutions. Life waits for no one, and those who succeed aren't the most talented, but the most disciplined. I don't care how you feel today. Are you tired? Discouraged? Are your muscles aching and your mind telling you to give up? Welcome to the club. The difference between winners and losers is that winners act despite how they feel. Discipline is like a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs to be exercised and challenged to grow. It's not about doing what you like, but doing what you need. We're not here to seek momentary pleasure, but to achieve eternal glory. Want to change your lives? And stop looking for shortcuts and start embracing discomfort. It's not about being perfect, it's about being relentless. Break those self-imposed chains and discover what you're truly capable of. Face the pain, embrace the fatigue, and pursue your goals with insatiable veracity. Discipline is the fuel that ignites the internal fire. Don't seek the approval of others. Seek the approval of the warrior within. There are no shortcuts in the climb to success. Let's imagine our goals as majestic peaks, destined to be conquered. How do we reach the summit? With determination, focus, and a hefty dose of self-discipline. Understand that no one else will carry us uphill or train us for the ascent. No, dear friends, it's our own strength and discipline that propel us forward. It's time to take control of our lives and lead our own path. We often seek quick fixes, but the reality is that true success requires constant effort and perseverance. Forget shortcuts and embrace the truth. The easy path is longer and more painful than the hard path. Don't blame others. Don't complain about the world's unfairness. Each of us is the architect of our destiny. Let's choose the path of responsibility, hard work, and sacrifice. This is the path that leads to freedom. Throughout my life, I've never met a successful person who wasn't highly organized. Being organized means getting things done, keeping everything in order, fulfilling your promises, and being punctual. This is crucial for success. Every freedom in your life has a cost, and the price is being disciplined. Discipline is like the root of all good things, but you must apply it to everything, not just getting up early, but in everything you do. Discipline is like training every day to be stronger, faster, more flexible, and healthier. It's a type of training that helps you change your way of thinking and embrace discipline in your life. I don't want anything to control me but myself. To achieve this, I must be very disciplined, ensuring that I am free. When people see me and say, "You get up early, you don't drink alcohol, you don't smoke," I don't do it because I feel superior, but because I want to have control over my life and be free. Being disciplined means being free to me. If you don't train, you won't develop muscle, right? So let me explain. Discipline is something you must practice every day. If you don't do it and lack discipline, you won't achieve much. Diets don't work if you don't follow them. Exercise doesn't yield results if you don't practice it. But when you decide to change and apply those disciplines, your life can change completely. Constant growth is part of life. You don't change just by attending an event or seminar. I train my mind and body, turning it into a lifestyle. It's about applying basic principles over and over again, getting up at a certain time, doing certain things, preparing your meals, following your habits, and completing your to-do list. When you do these things consistently, create an efficient day. The more efficient days you have, the more likely you are to achieve success. It's about facing your fears, and that requires discipline. Discipline means taking the harder path, the uphill path, and doing the right thing. Let's make discipline our daily companion. Instead of letting our goals waver, let's rise aggressively and boldly advance towards victory. Let's master the routine. Let's perform every task with perfection. Let's surpass others and achieve the best that no one could expect. So rise, unleash the inner beast, and conquer every challenge life throws at you.